Good afternoon, everybody. It's Matt Linklater here. Just want to share something with you. Hope you're having a great Saturday. Either you're finishing up work or you're spending some time with your family. Ran some meetings today. It's 4 o'clock, heading back home finally. Gonna hang out with MJ. Client came in and spent 2 hours with me, and I've been working with him for a few months now. And he said, "Hey Matt, why doesn't everybody do your type of strategies?" You know, he had his money over at Morgan Stanley, and you know, clients came in last night. They had their money at Northwestern Mutual. I think he shopped Morgan Stanley. Neither of them could solve their problem. And this guy said, "Well, why doesn't everybody do your type of strategies?" Well, you know, first off, when you go to companies, who's the most important at big companies? Who's the most important person at big companies, publicly traded companies? Well, it's the shareholders. And when you're working with me, the most important person to me is my client, because I only have my reputation. Linklater Financial Group only rests on Matt Linklater. What can Matt Linklater do? Matt Linklater's integrity, and what's Matt Linklater's differentiation in the marketplace? And so when you sit down with me, you get the strategies that I've learned from 13,000 meetings with financial advisors. I mean, just this week I trained Empire Life of Canada. Earlier this month I trained State Farm. Last month I trained CNL, a REIT company. So what you get are the best strategies. You know, when you go to a chain, Morgan Stanley, Merrill Lynch, all the companies that went bankrupt, do you know what you get? You get what their indoctrination is. You get what they think is best for their shareholders, and then their advisors just put you in whatever the flavor is, whatever the stock market is. If you're going for income, they put you 60% bonds, 40% in the stock market, and say, hey, you take 3%, your money's going to last for life. They don't really think for themselves. When you come to me, or you come to, you know, I would say me, I don't even know if anyone else, is you get definitely a unique approach. And everything I do in all my businesses, I flipped conventional wisdom on its head and I solve problems. So when you look at it and say, you know, how do you find the differentiator? And the guy said, you know, why doesn't everybody do this? Is look, the top 1% are 64 times better than everybody else. The top 1% in life produce 64% of the results. And so no matter what field you're looking in, or no matter what field you're in, you know, how do you get in the top 1% to be 64 times better than everybody else mathematically? And you know what? I'm not saying that arrogantly or cocky. I strive and work 65 hours a week and keep investing and read every book and go to every event and keep learning from the best and research the best and model the best, so I could be in the top 1%. So how do you differentiate yourself in the marketplace so you could be in the top 1% and be 64 times better than everybody else mathematically? And it takes grinding it out each and every day and figuring out, how do I differentiate myself? How do I solve problems? How do I create? How do I solve that gap, that performance gap in the marketplace? So I encourage you to keep going out there, grinding it, and figuring out, how do you differentiate yourself in the marketplace, so when people look at you, they can say, why doesn't anyone else do this in the market?